Hi judges! Welcome to another segment of Juan Arliwag Memorial High School Senior High School Math TV. Last time, we were able to find an standard equation of the parabola given different conditions. So we had one problem for that one. Today, we will continue discussion. We will continue with our discussion on how to find an equation of the parabola using different conditions. So last time we were able to determine the equation of the parabola given its vertex and its focus. Today, we are given another condition, and that condition is that the vertex is located at 2 and 4 and states here that it passes through the origin and point 4 and 0. So how do we solve for this one? Always remember that if you are given points, the very first step that we need to do is to plot the points. So we are given here the vertex, and that the vertex is located at 2 and 4. So this is 2 and this is 4. This is now our vertex. This is our vertex. And also, we have another condition that it passes through the origin and 4 and 0. So this is our origin. This is point 1. Let's say this is point 1. And it also passes through another point, and that is 4 and 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is another point. That is 4 and 0. Let's say that is P2. This is 4 and 0. And this is 0 and 0. So, our parabola now is passing through those points. Therefore, our parabola will not open upward. Why? Because it will not pass through point 1 and point 2 if it opens upward. Therefore, our parabola is opening downward. And if our parabola is opening downward, our equation will become x minus h quantity squared is equal to negative 4c. Why negative 4c? Because it opens downward. Because the sign of the right side will show us, or it is a good indicator where the parabola will open. So this is negative 4c times y minus k. Our parabola is opening downward. So let us first try to graph our parabola because it's opening downward and it passes through this one and it passes through this one. Sorry for the graph. So we are given 2 points and it doesn't mean that that is the latus rectum. Okay, do not be confused. If you are given 2 points and our parabola passes through those points, do not be confused that it is the length of the latus rectum. If you're asked to get the length of the latus rectum, this is not yet the length of our latus rectum. Okay, so how do we solve for this one? So we are given the vertex. The vertex is given as 2 and 4. So this is our h and k. And we are given 2 points. Point 1 which is 0, 0 and point 2 which is 4 and 0. We could use those points in order for us to know the value of c. Again, we will be using these points to know the value of c. And how do we do that? By substitution. So where do we substitute these values? We will substitute these values in the standard equation of the parabola opening downward. So if I'll be substituting these values, I will now not use the negative sign so that I would know if our parabola is really opening downward. If the value of c is negative, therefore it opens downward. Okay, so x minus h, that becomes what? X minus 2 quantity squared is equal to 4c times y. Our value of k is 4. So what is the value of x and y? In order for us to know the value of x and y, we could choose between P1 or P2. So for this one, I will choose P1 because it is just 0 and 0. This is our x and this is our y. Okay, so 0 minus 2 quantity squared is equal to 4c times y, which is 0 minus 4. 0 minus 2 is negative 2 squared is equal to 4c times negative 4. Negative 2 squared is positive 4. 4c times negative 4 is negative 16c. Divide both sides by negative 16. Negative 16, cancel this one. Therefore, 4 divided by negative 16 is negative 1/4. Our c now is equal to negative 1/4. So, how do we know if our answer to c is correct? Let us now try to use the second point. If we have the same value for c, therefore, that is the correct answer. So let us try to solve using the second point. X minus h quantity squared is equal to 4c times y minus k. X minus h is x minus 2 quantity squared is equal to 4c times y minus 4. Our x now is 4, our y now is 0. So that becomes 4 minus 2 quantity squared is equal to 4c times, what is our y? 0 minus 4. Okay? 4 minus 2 is 2 squared is equal to 4c times negative 4. 2 squared is 4. 4c times negative 4 is negative 16c. Divide both sides by negative 16. Negative 16, cancel this out. Therefore, our c is really negative 1/4. And it becomes negative y because our parabola is opening downward. Okay? So, we're asked to get the standard equation. Okay, so that our standard equation now will become x minus h quantity squared is equal to 4c times y minus k. X minus what is the value of h? That is 2. Quantity squared is equal to 4. What is the value of c? Negative 1/4 times y minus what is the value of k? That becomes 4. Simplifying, we will be having x minus 2 quantity squared is equal to 4 times negative 1/4. We could cancel out 4 and we're left with negative 1. And that is just negative of y minus 4. Therefore, this is now the equation of the parabola having vertex located at 2 and 4 and it passes through the origin and point 4 and 0. So that's all for today. I hope you learned something from this lesson in order for us to find an equation of the parabola using different conditions. So once again, I am Engineer Judd Hernandez saying that mathematics is always fun. Goodbye and God bless.